I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey y'all, so I am sitting here editing this vlog and I forgot to give y'all an intro. So here's the intro to the second video. Is VLOGMAS, y'all. I am having a hard time with uploading videos to YouTube. I just uploaded the one for VLOGMAS day one. It's taking forever, I guess, because I was trying to upload at the same time as everybody else. But y'all, I'm trying. I'm hanging in there. I'll probably be a day late on my videos, but I'm gonna catch up, y'all. I'm gonna catch up so they all can be on one day. I probably just have to do a double upload. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna show you guys how I get a cute little style, how I style my hair, how I curl my hair once I wash it and don't have anything to do with it. Y'all know it's COVID and y'all don't want people in y'all faces anyway, so this is just a cool little hack, a cool little way that you can get body, keep body in your hair, girl. So this is actually after I recorded the video. This is how I keep. So when y'all see my hair in the end of the video, this is how I keep it up for weeks or two. After a good silk press, because I am natural. I haven't had a perm in like 2 years. I haven't had a perm in 2 years. So the way that I showed y'all how I straighten my hair or curl my hair is so easy, you guys. Once you get over the blow drying step, it's over with. So and once you finish curling your hair, flat ironing your hair, you can flat iron your hair, you can curl your hair, you can do whatever you want to do to your hair. These rollers from the Dollar Tree, y'all, save your life. My mama used to put these in my hair a long time ago when I was a little girl coming up, and she kept them in her hair, and her hair was always so pretty and flowy. And y'all, I pin curl my bangs so you could get the, you know what I'm saying, So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm really trying with vloggers, y'all. I know that last video was cringy, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm gonna participate in vlogging up to the 20. Y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed my last vlog. If you haven't watched it, go over to the next video. I have it linked up here somewhere, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So y'all, let's get straight into it. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair. This is my hair wet, so I'm about to put some heat protector spray on there. I use the Gold Series Thermal Heat Protector, and it sprayed crazy. The top broke, so I just spray some in my hand like that. What I do, y'all, is I just take sections of the front of my hair, not the back but the front, just different sections, and I pull down to try to straighten it out, and it works for me. As you can tell, it makes your hair really like flat. Okay guys, so I am 26 years old and have a head full of gray hair. Tell me about it. So that's how I get my hair as straight as possible. So now what I'm gonna do is do this side, and then I'll be back so we can get to the final part. Alright y'all, so that was the first part of the video. I showed you guys how I get my hair as straight as possible. Now I'm going to show you guys how I get the desired look that I like with using my hot comb. With using my Andy's hot comb. I always burn myself, but I'm not burning myself today, not for Vlogmas. And then I use my Infinity Pro Conair Big Barrel Curler. I got this from Dirt Cheap for like $3. winning. So I'm gonna show y'all how I get my hair to the desired look that I like, which is this real cute body wrap roller set look. Y'all remember back in the day when we used to get body wraps and rollers in my hair all the time, and we'll wrap it and you got this real pretty like body, like you just got body everywhere. So that's what I like. That's the style that I like in my hair. So I'm about to do it today, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. And just a fun video for Vlogmas because I'm new to this and I'm trying, y'all. I am trying to keep up. I will keep up. I've been seeing on TikTok that these been going viral. I've been wearing these, y'all. I use these in my routine as well. Once I curl my hair with the Infinity Pro, I go in and just wrap it around here. These are body rollers. It give your hair a lot of body, y'all. These rollers give your hair a lot of body. So, y'all, if y'all have a silk press and it's going out and, you know, you just need to, you don't want it to be over, you enjoy your silk press and you don't want it to be over, and you know how sometimes it starts to get like, your hair start to draw up, these rollers will help. All you have to do is just take sections of your hair, Velcro them in, and roll. And then you'll have body. But I'm going to put some heat to my hair first. You don't have to put heat on your hair just in case you want that blowed out look. Oh, y'all, it's giving body already. So, y'all, I take my hot comb and I just do like the edge of my hair throughout my hair. And I already put heat protecting spray on my hair, but I haven't put my oil. So I use pink Glossier just to give it a little, you know, shine, and it's supposed to be anti-frizz. So I just spray it. Oh, y'all, and it smells so good. I'm gonna get close to the mirror so I will not run myself. So now, y'all, it's time for me to do my favorite part, which is style my hair. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm gonna go with the part like this, the way my hair laid, and I really don't do it in any particular way because I like the big blowout look. You know, like the body, like the big fluffy look.
Trying to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
Alright, y'all, so this is my hair curled. So when I do my front, since all of it's gonna go this way and then I'm gonna play with it too, I just curl it in smaller sections. So this is my hair when I'm finished. And then I just push it back a little bit and play with it. This side of my hair always stay flat. That's another reason why I always put my rollers in. So once I get my hair like this, y'all, shake it. I'll run my fingers through it. And then I just style it. Like, you style it however you want to wear it. Like, if you like your hair big to the side like that, girl, you can do it to the side. Probably not that much, but. And then I flip it over to get like a curl like that. In the middle. And you just play with it. Then I just play with it, y'all, until I get like my desired look, which 9 times out of 10 will either be kind of like a, let me put my edge control on. Anywhere, I really did this for work tomorrow, and I can get like some type of vlog. I don't know. And y'all, this is real easy. All you have to do is just look at videos and learn how to curl, or just buy you a curler and curl an old wig until you get comfortable of putting your curl in your hair, you know? Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look on how I curl my hair, and I love it. I love how it just gives me body, and you can just play with it like however you want to play with your hair after you do that. And it this is just a nice little way for you to learn how to do your hair, and it's a cute look. It's fun. It's giving very much grown woman vibes, y'all. Okay, like this body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. So this is how I curl my hair when I don't have anything to do with it. And I was just sick of that quick weave, y'all. I was sick of it. I wanted it out. I wanted it done. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to go ahead and wrap my hair up, girl. Or, well, no, I'm about to go ahead and put my rollers in for tonight, so I can have more body. And curl the front right here so my bang can stay like that. So what I do is I take however much out that I want to like stay like that. So I just take it and I do like a little pin curl. And I give me a pin or something and just pin. But you guys, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed my little Vlogmas hair video, because we outside, y'all. We outside this weekend. We're gonna have fun for Vlogmas. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. I promise you the videos will get better and better and better as I go. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys